Alright, so this describes how I've hooked up the Jackery Explorer 3600 Pro Max. I've got it set up here right below my main electrical panel. It's plugged into a 10-circuit manual transfer switch. I went ahead and wired in this position here 40 amp 240 volt outlet that is underneath the panel here, and the Jackery's plugged into that. It's working properly. That cable is the 40 amp Jackery cable that goes into the AC expansion jack plug or a socket. Okay, then I've got the Jackery here running. It's in UPS mode, and this shows TOU, although it never does go over to battery during peak operating time. I then use the cable that came with the Reliance Controls manual transfer switch. Comes out here, AC's on, and it then comes up to the transfer switch. I have all of the switches set to gen. I've get outputs on the meters, and then I've got I removed the 30 amp. I've got 5 20 amp and 5 15 amp circuits. Those are all on, and the wiring then goes through this conduit into the panel and is connected to 10 of the circuits in my main panel.